Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Pulsex on your Trust wallet. So first of all, you're going to have to add the Pulsechain network to your Trust wallet mobile app, and that can be done by simply using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on that, click on the plus icon here and then switch from tokens to network. So you simply click on network, and we're going to be using the Ethereum network. We're going to be working on Ethereum, and no need to worry about the chain list. The name is going to be Pulsechain, Pulse chain, Pulsechain. The symbol is PLS, and then the node URL and Explorer URL, we will get them from the website, which is pulsechain.com. So you simply scroll down. As you can see, the RPC and the block explorer are here. So you simply copy this. Click copy link address, minimize, open up your Trust wallet again, paste the Explorer URL. As for the node URL, all you simply need to do is copy this side here, copy, minimize, and open up your Trust wallet again. Boom. And then you simply click on save, and with that, the chain, okay. And with that, you get your chain. And in order to find your chain, you simply scroll down to the bottom of your tokens menu. Boom. PLS, the Pulsechain. This is its network and it's been added. So our next step is simply going to be opening OKX, and the reason we are using OKX.com or the OKX mobile app is mainly because you can buy Pulsechain or Pulsex directly on your Trust wallet. You can buy them there, so you have to go. You're gonna have to use OKX. So once OKX has opened up, simply click on this trade here. Once it's opened up, the PLS USDT, you click on it at the top left corner of the screen. We're going to search for PLS, which stands for the Pulsechain. And here we go. And make sure you have some USDT, seeing as it's only USDT that's tradable against the Pulsechain here. Make sure you've got USDT, and make sure you've deposited that USDT here so you can get done with the transaction. So click on trade again, search for Pulsechain, enter the amount of Pulse or USDT you're going to use. The minimum is 1.1, $1. That's 10,556 of the Pulse tokens. So you simply click on buy. You set your take profit and your stop loss triggers. Okay guys, and once you've completed the trade, once your take profit is hit, the trade status would be failed. So our next step from here is to simply head over to the assets menu and simply click on withdraw, and the list of all the tokens you currently possess would be brought out. As you can see, I've got some Pulsechain here, so you can simply click on this Pulsechain, click on chain again, that's for the withdrawal. And now we're going to be entering an address. So you open up your Trust wallet, click on Pulsechain, click on receive, click on copy, you minimize, open up the OKX mobile app, enter the address, select the network, or it would select itself automatically. And we're going to be using our trading. So you simply click on this, and then you simply click on submit, and your Pulse token would be given right back to you. And boom, that's how it's done. That's how you can get your Pulse tokens from OKX, and this can only be done by possessing an account. So with the link in the description of the video, make sure you register using that link so you stand the chance to win up to $10,000 worth of mystery boxes just by using the link for registration and getting your account to a level 2 verification. Okay, and once that's done, you minimize your OKX, head back to your Trust wallet, and with the current Pulsechain tokens you have, head over to your browser, and where it says enter or search for URL, you simply put in app.pulsex.com. And once you've opened up pulsex.com, you simply click on connect wallet, and it says start by connecting one of the wallets below. click on inject, click on connect again, and boom, our wallet is currently connected. As you can see, you can look at your wallet, you can look at the transactions available. So our Pulse balance or our Pulse chain balance is 0.01, which is less than the minimum. But if you've got like 1,000, yeah, by 10,000 of the Pulse, 10,000 of the Pulse chain tokens is equivalent to $1.01, and which is also going to be giving you a really good amount of the Pulsex. So you simply enter an amount of the Pulse chain tokens, which would be 10,000, and that's going to be giving us 27,000 of the Pulsex. You're paying a gas fee of $0.02 for gas fees, and then you simply click on swap, and then you click on confirm swap. And then once you've done that, you simply close this, head over to the toggle at the top right corner of the screen on your menu, on your tokens menu, click on this. And we're going to be adding the Pulsex. If you could remember, we swapped our Pulse chain to Pulsex tokens, and the network is going to be the Pulse chain. And then we're going to be using coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description of the video to get its contract address. And here it is. Simply click on copy. Once you're done pasting the contract address, you simply enter the name, which is Pulsex. Pulsex, capital P, symbol PLSX, decimals 18. And simply click on save. And then boom, once you've swapped your Pulse chain tokens, they would be converted to Pulsex and they will be deposited here. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Pulsex tokens on your Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.